All right, so why is the muscle repair special and better with the MaxTuck? Well, if you talk about the research studies that are repairing muscle gaps or muscle diastasis, rectus muscle diastasis, they actually show that traditional repairs can fail up to 60% of the time in some of the studies. That's right, 60, that's very high. So with the MaxTuck, we didn't find that to be acceptable, so we went back to the drawing board to make it better. So what we do different is the following. So first of all, we do 4 layers as opposed to the 1 or 2 layers that traditional repairs do. So that gives us additional layers of safety. Number 2, we don't use the traditional sutures that can unravel very easily. We use specialized sutures that have miniaturized tabs all throughout their length, and they prevent gapping at repair sites. So they require about 400% more strength to gap. So it gives you a more reliable repair. Now, number 3 is we do it through a less invasive tunnel. Remember, we don't traumatize the area next to the ribs like traditional tummy tucks do to make the repair easy. So here, we don't make your life difficult, we make our life difficult, but we have special equipment to do it very comfortably and very securely for you through a less invasive narrow tunnel. And last but not least, because we don't put you under general, we actually get to see where your muscles want to be. With traditional tummy tucks, it's common to over-tighten the muscle, and then if you do that, obviously the muscle is gonna win and break the repair, but it's also common to under-tighten the muscles because you don't get to see the tone. With the MaxTuck, you're not under general, so you actually get to see the muscles working as they are, and you can bring them together just where they come. And that makes the repair much more reliable, it makes it much more durable, and also it leads to much less pain after surgery because you're putting the muscles where they want to be as opposed to forcing them somewhere they do not want to be.